Hi there, students. A rogue. A rogue is a dishonest and unprincipled person. Some rogue has stolen all the coffee money. So a rogue, a cheat. Notice a rogue is very often a person who you disapprove of, but is a likeable person. They are mischievous. Your little son is a rogue. He's always stealing my chocolate. He is a rogue, but he's very funny. So notice, a criminal is an unlikable rogue. A villain is an unlikable rogue. Yeah? If somebody's a rogue, they're dishonest. But normally this doesn't refer to a murderer or a rapist or a serial killer. Yeah, this is somebody who cheats, who steals. Okay, that's the idea. They don't play fair, but they're still probably a likeable person. They're very funny. They tell a lot of jokes. So even if he does steal your money, he's funny. Okay, we can also use rogue to talk about an animal. A rogue elephant, particularly for elephants, it's a vicious and solitary animal, something that has separated from the herd or the group. A rogue tiger was killing villagers. Normally the tigers keep themselves to themselves. They don't want to get involved with people. Okay, so he's a rogue. He's vicious and solitary. And then we can use this rogue as an adjective, meaning acting outside normal controls or desirable controls. A rogue trader brought down the bank. So he's behaving unpredictably, irresponsibly, and not according to the rules. But he's, if you like, vicious, malicious, dangerous, and solitary, because all the other people in the bank are following the rules. But this one is a rogue trader. In computing, a rogue program can be a program that pretends to be anti-spyware, but in fact it's malicious. It's there to steal your data or corrupt your computer. So it's a rogue. It's not behaving honestly, it's cheating. Okay, I would say this word rogue is neutral formality. You could definitely use it in an informal conversation, and I think you could probably use it in a formal document as well. So it's nice and flexible. Let's see, in Old English, a rogue was a vagrant or a beggar. And I think there's probably still a very old-fashioned meaning of rogue, meaning a beggar or a vagrant. But I think it's old now and people don't use it. Anyway, that then came from Old French, rogue, meaning arrogant or haughty. And this may have come from a Norse word, hrokr, Hrokr, which meant excess exuberance. Okay, I missed one other small detail. If you play RPGs, role-playing games, there's normally a class of character that's a rogue, that's stealthy, that's good at stealing things, could be an assassin, but they're very stealthy, okay? So, a rogue, a dishonest, unscrupulous, unprincipled person. But very often they're likeable as well. So it's somebody who's dishonest, but they don't commit major crimes, yeah? They're stealing, they're cheating, they're embezzling, things like that. But also, a rogue often implies this idea that the person is likeable. John, you old rogue, what have you been doing? You see, I can use it even in a friendly way. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Rogue.